Hi, I'm here to demo Maven recommended actions for you. I will be showing you Maven inside the LiveEngage platform. So the LiveEngage platform is where agents manage conversations. Maven is a tool to assist human agents with conversation management by notifying them when there is an automation or a knowledge base article available to assist them in the conversation. So to demo this, I'm going to go to my website where I've got a web messaging engagement, and I'm going to start a conversation with the agent. As an agent, I accept it, and now I have an interactive conversation with my consumer. The consumer will ask a question, and in the LiveEngage platform, in the recommended actions widget, if there is an automation or a knowledge base article available, Maven will display it. This uses the pattern matching and natural language understanding that is configured for each automation and at the article level in the knowledge base in Conversation Builder. To use the automation as an agent, I can click the join button and the bot will join my conversation. We also have the ability in a configuration to have this set as a transfer so that I actually transfer the automation, the consumer to the automation skill instead of having it join. And then when the automation is finished, it either closes the conversation or transfers back to the human skill. So in this case, I've got an automation that I want to use. So I'm going to have it join. So I hit the join button, and the bot joins the conversation. And you see a notice that the bot is joining, and then the bot picks up right where it left off. So I can respond. Now, as a human agent, I am continuing to monitor this conversation because it's in my queue. I may be looking at other conversations or doing other work, but when the customer sends a message, and I did improperly format that on purpose, when the customer sends a message, I'm notified that I have a new message coming in. So I can click on it, I can see what's happening, and I can assist. So the consumer. So now I'm sharing the conversation between the bot and the agents. So now if I send a proper email address, the bot will resume the conversation and provide my answer. I have the ability to remove the bot from the conversation at any time if I need to by hitting the remove button, or I can just let the bot go through its flow. In this case, the bot automatically closes the conversation after a period of time. Now, let me show you the knowledge base. So I'm going to start another conversation. And I'll accept it as the agent. And now I'll send a new question. Now here you'll see that the Maven recommended actions identified two different opportunities. The first is a knowledge base article specifically to understanding your bill. And the second is a billing bot that can help with billing questions. You can see the article by clicking on the show more, and you can use the article by clicking the use article button. It loads it into the window. I can edit it if I want to. And then I can send it to the consumer. The consumer sees the response and can take action if they want to. Now I have a few different bots configured for this just to play with it. One of my favorites is a chess moves bot that I created. And it's actually a dialogue within my billing bots. So when I send a message, the billing bot recognizes that, hey, I have two items that show up, a fix problems with your phone and a billing bot to assist. But I know that I would like to talk about chess is not a proper interpretation for fixed problems with your phone. So I can teach the bot to recognize that this is not a good match by voting down, and therefore I, as an agent, am training the bot, and I would not be able to use that. In this case, I can have the bot join, and I can see the bot pick up, go into my chess conversation, right? But I want to kick the bot out and take over again. So as a human, I have flexibility in managing the relationship. You can see in the history all of the conversation history, so you can see what happened as the agent and take proper action at the appropriate time. So that's Maven recommended actions as a tool for agents to be able to incorporate automations into their conversations with consumers. The important prerequisites for using Maven recommended actions are either you have to have a knowledge base in Conversation Builder that's trained for the knowledge base articles to show up, or if you're using the automation feature, you have to have automations that are trained with either pattern matching or NLU for the agent to be able to pull into the conversation. Those automations can be Conversation Builder automations, or they can be on a third party like Watson or Dialogflow. The Maven configuration is done in the back end by your account team, so let us know if you're ready to set it up, and we can help you set it up. One thing to make sure, though, is that you're thinking through what your bots are doing so that they are adding value. It doesn't make any sense to connect a routing bot to the Maven recommended actions, because routing is not an agent assist feature, it's a conversation starting feature. So think carefully about the way you build and design your automations and how they could work to help make the agent's job easier through the Maven Assist widget. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.